To install a lock on a JOBOX chest, you will find included in the box an accessory kit that contains a lock retainer, a nylon spacer, an eye-hook retainer pin, and a self-tapping screw. First, place the lock retainer flange side down. Then, place the nylon spacer in the channel and insert the lock through the lock retainer and nylon spacer. Move the locking mechanism bar to the left and insert the retainer and lock into the lock housing with the flange side down. Open the chest and insert the eye hook in the lock housing through the top hole in the lock retainer. And then fasten the eye hook with the self-tapping screw. Here's a JOBOX lock tip. The most common lock used for a JOBOX chest is a Master Lock number 5. It comes in two types, standard and commercial. If you're using the commercial Master Lock, we recommend removing the rubber bumper from the top of the lock. This will help prevent the lock from sticking inside the lock housing.